to Camus World! Hi everyone, I received this package from the brand Audecook. I want to say thank you to Jerry for sending this electric hot pot with steamer. This electric hot pot with steamer is a 2-liter by 20 cm non-stick electric pan with ceramic glaze. It is portable multi-cooker for ramen, steak, egg, oatmeal soup. First off, they provide a manual as always, and as well as the recipe book which you can use while using this pot. Included in the box is this cute spatula with a wooden handle. It has a glass lid with a wooden handle, a power cord which is important. It comes with a steamer which is very handy. Included in the box is a sponge for cleaning. And of course, the last but not the least is the electric hot pot. It has a quick heating with a ring-shaped 360 heating base of the electric cooker that allows faster and more even heating of the food. It is recommended to boil water first for the first use. Let's start cooking. First, I put on some butter and put some vegetables of your choice. Put a little bit of salt and mix. And it's done. Please do check their website. I'm going to leave the link in the description down below. Let me know in the comment if ever you've tried this brand. Let me know what do you think of it. Until next time, bye!